I'm Taylor, and I am here to break down vinyasa flows.
Hello everybody, I'm Miles Croker. I'm here today to talk about the core.
Hi, I'm Rochelle, and this is a 5-minute box breathing practice that's going to help you ground into the wisdom of your body and your felt sense.
Hi, my name's Juliana, and today I'm going to take you through a short and sweet office break to open up your wrists and your hands.
My name is Ayla Nova, and I'll be guiding you through a tutorial on how to practice Yoga Nidra.
And then we'll come up onto our tippy toes to transition to plank pose. So get strong through the legs, round a little bit into the spine, whatever is accessible, and then land in plank pose.
Sit positions or sit-ups and working the core in this way, or planks where you're stabilizing the core.
Keep the rhythm of breath, counting yourself through this pattern that is helping you tap into your autonomic nervous system.
Create an eagle bind with your arm. So right arm comes under the left, connecting your hands together. And if you can only hook onto your fingers, that's okay too. Another modification here is just to bring your forearms together.
In this space, call in something that you wish to create as an intention for your practice. This can be in an I or I am declaration to self that resonates deeply.